Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Emma. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to another episode of Simply Emma. Today I'm in my kitchen. I want to do a little bit of kitchen makeover, not a fully makeover, but a little touch here and there. And I decided to invite my favorite people in this to help me out. And of course, you know, having a baby and this much work couldn't be possible. So I decided to invite my brother to help me out to solve and do some work together. So meet my brothers there. Say hi.
Hi.
Meet another brother of mine. So thank you so much guys for joining. Keep tuned in. This is the situation in my kitchen, and honestly I don't like the way it is, especially the countertops. I don't like the way it is. This is the before of my kitchen. Oh my god, it just doesn't look appealing to me. So this is what I want to change. And as you can see, the countertops are totally in a mess. Yeah, that's my contact paper that I'm going to use to change, to give this kitchen a new look, and I hope it will be a success. So let's start the work. This is a view from afar. As you can see, it's not good. It's not good at all. So we are going to start by removing all these the utensils from the tops, the utensils, the curtain, the everything, the food stuffs there, the microwave, everything from the countertops. We are going to clean it and start before we start putting the contact paper. We are going to clean, dry the countertops and start sticking the contact paper. Cleaning the tops and I've dried them. It's important to clean and dry to allow or to prevent air from entering the contact when installing the contact paper. So this is how it looks when everything it's away. This is how the tops are looking like. We are going to wait for it to dry like a minute or so and start sticking the paper. This is how my counters now look. They look a bit brighter. I love the outcome. I bought my contact paper from Telovi Interiors. They're so affordable and they deliver countrywide. They delivered my contact paper to my doorstep. That's something that I liked about them, and they are so affordable. So big up to Telovi Interiors. Thank you so much for your service. This is not a paid promo, but why can't we give credit to good service? So thank you so much, Telovi. I hope to get back to you soon. So guys, this is how my counters looks like. My kitchen looks a bit brighter than before, and with this it's easier to clean. As you can see, it's easy to clean, easy to see the where the dirt is. So beautiful. I love it. I love the whole thing. I'm yet to do a whole kitchen makeover. So yes, this table was brown in color, you can imagine, but I had to paint it and stick the contact paper on it. It looks so beautiful. This will be my working area, my working space, because I don't have enough working area on this kitchen. But yeah, I'm happy. It now looks good. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a thumbs up to this video, comment in the comment section down below, and see you in my next video. Bye.